Today the inevitable has happened. The war between the physical and the non-existent has begun. Gold, physical asset, been around for many, many years. It's transportable, it's deliverable. Bitcoin is not deliverable, it's not tangible. It's not even issued by a central issuer. It's not allowable on exchanges that are actually real exchanges. So you can imagine what's happened this morning. Gold is going up in price because Bitcoin collapsed, $700 billion collapse during the course of this week for 5 combined cryptocurrencies. So the Bitcoin advocates are all out this morning saying, aha, but you don't understand, do you? Bitcoin can't be sanctioned by government. It can't have capital controls imposed on it. It's completely borderless. Yes, that might be so, but there are definitely evidences of people returning to old analog assets after the massive sting that got to the cryptocurrency world this week. Gold is up by 2.6 points this morning. Bitcoin still down, and it was continuing to go down yesterday. So then along comes the technology aspect of things. Gold, no technology, very old-fashioned. Bitcoin requires mining, actual computerized mining, usually using a graphics cards and so forth, which require a huge amount of energy. So the Bitcoin advocates this morning are saying that you can generate as many Bitcoins as you want, so therefore there's an infinite supply. That isn't really the case, because in theory it is the case, but to be able to actually do that, you will need a huge mining rig, which will cost you far more in electricity than you'll actually make selling the Bitcoin at the end of it. Or you can join a mining pool, which will give you no footprint whatsoever, whereas gold is readily available on the commodities market. Yes, there might be capital controls, but there are people in countries which have draconian governments, such as Venezuela and so forth, that keep their money in the United States and can still participate in gold trading on Chicago-based commodities exchanges. So therefore there's no argument for that whatsoever. There's certainly one thing for sure, however. These tweets over the last few days that have caused this crash in cryptocurrencies have really exposed a weakness, that they really are the subject of gossip and tittle-tattle, whereas gold isn't. It exists. It's a precious metal, it's finite in resources, and it's transferable whatever happens.